Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and in this CoachVantage tutorial, I will provide you with an overview of the Contacts page. From your dashboard, to get to your contacts, simply click Contacts on the left menu bar of your screen. In CoachVantage, a contact does not necessarily need to be a client. This is because CoachVantage functions as a simplified CRM tool, allowing you to add contacts and to categorize or label them as leads, prospects, current clients, past clients, etc. You can add as many contacts as you wish to your account. On the Contacts page, you will see the search bar here, where you can search for a specific contact by typing in their name, email address, tag, or mobile number. You also have your display list here. This is where you can easily look up different contact types with the drop-down display list. You will also see a table here. In this table, you will have a contact's profile picture, a contact's first name, a contact's last name, tags affiliated with the contact, a contact's mobile number, their email address, social media pages, and lastly, an option to invite a contact to the client portal. As a quick note, by clicking on a contact's social media pages or website icon, you will then be redirected to their social media page or website, respectively. When it comes to contact tags, you can add individual tags to one contact, or you may add a tag label to a selection of contacts at one go by clicking on the checkboxes here and then pressing Add Tags. A pop-up window will appear that allows you to easily add tags that you've already saved or type in new tags. Remember to press Save when finished. You will also see on this page the ability to export or import your entire contact list at the click of a button. To learn more about adding contacts in CoachVantage, please refer to the article in our Help Center titled Adding Contacts for more information. Next, on this Contacts page, you will see that you can easily click on a specific contact's name to view their contact page, which allows you to view more details such as their profile, coaching programs, files, invoices, contracts, etc. To learn more about the individual contact record page in CoachVantage, please refer to the article titled Individual Contact Record Page in our Help Center. Going back to the Contacts page overview now, you will see that it's very easy to tell which contacts have an active or inactive client portal. It's only with an active client portal that you and your contacts can fully optimize the potential of CoachVantage to manage your coaching engagements. For instance, when a client portal is active, such as Atlas's, this means that they are able to log in and access the coaching programs and anything you have shared or sent to them. When you see that a contact such as Emily Smith has a pending acceptance, this means that the portal invite has been sent, but your client has yet to create their portal account. If needed, click on the email icon to resend the portal invite. For example, when I click Send Portal Invite to Sandra, a pop-up window will appear. Press Proceed to continue. Fantastic! A client portal invite has been sent. Here's what the email will look like to Sandra. As you can see, Sandra can easily create a client portal account by clicking here. And that concludes our overview of the Contacts page in CoachVantage. Thank you so much for watching. We're excited to see you use the Contacts feature to your advantage. Wishing you a marvelous week ahead. Happy coaching!